Now let's do the door mirror. Yes, yes. It's actually easier than the last video I just wasted 10 minutes on thinking I needed to use this. And all you need to do is remove this first. So, let's start with this. Ready? Easy. Look. We're gonna reveal the hidden screw. That puppy right there. So let's get him out. I'm sure there's a screw behind here because there always is behind Toyota. And we'll get our drill and let's start taking stuff apart. That's what we like to do. Keeping a safe space. Let's get our little hook tool and get this guy out. And we're going to see if this is all we need to do to remove the door panel. Oh, hello. Oh, one screw. All right. All right, and it's above the handle, so you're not going to have to scratch the handle. All right, yeah. All right, now, is there anything on the bottom? Feel for it, like nope. So, we're going to pull, like I always do, from the corner. And we're going to assume this is the way you got to do it. So, it sounds like it is. Let's get the second hand going and see if we're missing something. I don't think we are. I stand corrected. Because I did say I don't think we are. That doesn't leave you in a corner. But we're going to pull the corner up and show you that we did miss something. And probably more screws. Ah! We found another screw. There you go. That is holding us in. This puppy is meant to stay, so leave it stay. Let's get this one screw out. Oh, and don't forget to pull the corner. Again with the corner. Pull this guy out. It pulls right out from here. So, let's get the door panel off and make sure this is the right way of doing it. Okay, if you want to leave the door handle in, would be easier. Just pull up on this little tab right here. And the thing will just pop right out. One harness there, got to disconnect. One harness down there, we got to disconnect. So let's get them out and we'll show you the end result. And voila. So there you have it. Okay. Out of the way. Stole. Unplug. Alright, this thing's got blind spot. This thing's got all types of good stuff. Blinker, I'm sure. Probably heated. We got one screw. Right there. Somewhere, where are you? Right here. There you go. Now, since it's so nice out, I grabbed from here, and this popped out from here. Now, this will pop out first, and this will give you tension because this will still be plugged in. Now, because it's a Toyota, and it does want to play nice sometimes, you can either A, look to see where this thing is. Now, this arrow says that's where it is. Now, this little stubby also says where it is. See that circle? It meets up and says, here buddy, this is where you pry. Okay? Leave it hang. Don't leave it bang, but either way. Now we have a 10 mil right there. I already took off. And a 10 mil right there. I already took off. Now, to be careful, you want to have one hand this way, so just in case it falls with your 10 mil. So, let's get this last one out, and don't let it fall on the door, because if you do, then you have to take this speaker back out, which I just put that over here, and fight for it. Or you can take this guy out, this unscrews, but why? Why the extra work? Just be careful and catch it. What did I just tell you not to do? And I did it anyway. So, take the 4 10 mils out. Check. There we go. Get the speaker out of your way. And that's it. It's right down there. Let's go get my magnet tool. You can buy one of these. And ooh, we got it. Yeah. Moving on. Now, the mirror is not falling off because it has a little prong. It is hanging on by a thread, but they do this nowadays, which is nice. They have these little tabs right there. You saw it real quickly, right? See that tab right there? You want to push down and that puppy will fall right out. So let's make sure this is the right way of doing it. Let's get this guy back out because I had to get it to put my hand back in there. And I'll show you. You see this one? It will do without a tool. Okay. Let's go to this Toyota. Now, this harness gets squeezed and removed, and I will show you the whole thing in real time. Or actually after I'm done. And as you see, you push this puppy down. That's what's holding it in. And there you have it. Unplug it from here, just squeeze it, and let's push this back in and pretend like nothing ever happened. Start it by hand. Start it by hand. They're not on, but start it by hand. And then we use a gun. And she's back. Yay! We got a new mirror. Yay! It's actually the same one. Dummy. So, that's broke by accident, so I put a zip tie, so it's good to go. It's wrapped around just the way it was, and we're gonna put everything back. And there you have it. We're gonna put the panel back. You don't have to join us because you don't want to take us apart. And I'm gonna snap this guy back in. This will pop right back in. I'll show you real quick, but if you want to stick around. So if not, you know what to do. I will put it all back, and we will be saying thanks for watching. If not, let's go put it back. See? It just snaps in. That little hook goes in. This guy just pops right in. You've already seen this because you already just did it. I guarantee you just did it with the ease. With the ease. So we're gonna put this all back because it's a brand new car. I'm gonna show you that nothing ever happened. Right? Isn't that what we want to prove? Nothing ever happened. So here we go. Last few screws that we took out. You already see this. Line that puppy up. He goes in first. He goes in first. Second. See that? And this is third. And you're going to put that last screw in yourself. Right in the door handle. And pop that cover in. So there you have it. Like it. Don't like it. Share. Don't share it. Subscribe. Don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.